If Netflix is not opening on your any smart TV, stuck on black screen or freezing, don't worry, here's how you can fix the issue and start streaming again. So for that, first we have to check our internet connection. For that, go to the quick settings. So first we have to head over to settings and then network and internet and make sure your TV is connected properly. Because in many cases the problem happens because of a weak or disconnected network. If you see no internet connection or any network error, just restart your router and you can also switch to another Wi-Fi network. And once your connection is stable, try opening Netflix again. But in your case, if Netflix still doesn't open, go back to settings, then apps, and then from the all apps section, you have to find Netflix app. And then the thing you have to start by selecting clear cache. Because most of the cases, corrupted cache files can sometimes cause black screens or freezing problem. After clearing the cache, try opening Netflix again. If the problem continues, just come back here and select clear data. Before doing this, make sure you know your Netflix login details because this will remove your account information from the TV. And after clearing the data, just resets the app and can fix deeper glitches. And after that, just from this list, you have to go for force stop and return to the home screen and reopen your Netflix. But in your case, if it's still not working, perform a power reset. Just unplug your TV from the wall outlet or power strip, wait at least 60 seconds, then plug it back in and turn it on. This actually helps clear temporary system bugs. And now as a final step, just uninstall and reinstall your Netflix. For that, just highlight the Netflix app and press and hold the OK button. Now select View Details depending on your TV and then choose Uninstall. After removing it, just reinstall Netflix again. And now you can see your problem will be fixed. And I hope after following all of this process, Netflix should open normally. Now you can sign in and enjoy streaming without any issues. Hope this guide helped. Make a like and subscribe for more Netflix tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.